fix the camera. That camera is going right down there. All right, folks, this is the Evaporust thing. I put some jacks for a scaffolding in there. I may have left them in there. May have, may or not. Yeah, these the 500-year-old gloves because, well, you know, I forgot to come back and flip them over a couple days ago, so they're probably nice and juicy now. I don't care, Jackson. They're for scaffolding, so nobody really cares. There we go. They look pretty nice, yeah. Hasn't come loose yet, so oh well. Put that one in there, like so. My head's in the way. And this one, only a little bit left sticking up. Stick that one in there. And see if we can get it. Now, I'll probably put some in the ballast thing. Let's bring it up just a little bit more. What can I put in there? Maybe a block of, I don't want to put a big block of steel in there. What can we put in there? What can we put in there? Okay, let's put more Evaporust in there. What the hell? Must got something in here. Where the hell did all the stuff I have in here? Oh wait, maybe. Nope, that won't work. I did have things in there. Now let me find it. Stay tuned. Maybe this will work. Maybe this will work. Just got to bring it up a 1/4 inch. Good enough. Anyway, that'll sit in the Evaporust for in a couple of days. And these are pretty clean. They were galvanized, but took most of the rust off. I don't know how great it worked, but anyway, that's the Evaporust bucket thingy. So let me pause this here. Hello. The Evaporust bucket thing, when I'm done, I'll show you. I'm gonna go over it with a wire brush grinder, clean it off, and probably just spray it with something just to keep it from rusting. And that's pretty much it. I'll take it out, make another video, so that will probably continue another video. So stay tuned for the Evaporust bucket thing. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you.